scan this. Sovi is here. Let's level up. Integrating this fraction looks tough, but we can solve it fast by completing the square in the denominator. Let's find the answer together right now. First, look at the quadratic expression on the bottom. We need to rewrite x squared minus 6x plus 10 by completing the square to make it much easier to handle. Take half of negative 6, square to get 9, and split that 10 into 9 plus 1. This gives us the quantity x minus 3 squared plus 1 instead. Apply the standard arctangent integral formula. The result is arctan of x minus 3 plus c, which matches option D. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Watch signs and avoid rush. Trust given values and check steps for success.